Get your mindset into luxury mode. Repeat after me. I deserve high quality experiences right now and forever. Did you receive it? Welcome back, Glam Tribe. It is your favorite military spouse / virtual bestie, Jessica M. Levy, here to help you experience a glamorous lifestyle on a budget. Okay, and if you haven't been here before, where you been? Go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications because I upload videos like this every single week. Today, I'm going to help you shift your mindset and romanticize your entire life. It doesn't matter how mundane you feel like your life is. Today, I'm going to help you romanticize it all so that you can begin to have glamorous lifestyle experiences right now at a low cost or no cost at all. To get you started with your glamorous lifestyle, I'm going to give you 4 tips today that's going to help you experience glam daily for no cost at all. Okay? And number 4 is going to make sure that your mindset stays in luxury mode so you'll have no worries. Tip number 1 is to create an abundant mindset. Do you believe that you deserve all good things? And if not, like why exactly? I want you to tell me why in the comments you don't feel like you have an abundant mindset. You have to have an abundant mindset because how else are you going to be able to experience glam and luxury and attract these things to you if you don't believe you deserve these things? You deserve these things. You work hard. You deserve nice experiences. You can start to begin to have an abundant mindset by being more open to making new friends and networking. You don't want to get in your own way by blocking your own opportunities or closing your own doors because you're not open to meeting people who could possibly have a way to improve your life and vice versa. You might be able to help them as well. It's about being open-minded. You may be working on something that someone else has the power to assist you with, or someone else may be working on something and you have the power to assist them. You just, all that good energy and helping one another, it never fails to attract more goodness to you. So just start to begin having an abundant mindset. On to tip number 2, which is food. You're like, how is let me tell you. Romanticize your favorite food group and make it luxe. This is how you do it. You may like takeout, maybe Chinese takeout and egg rolls. Don't just order your normal egg rolls. How about going to the grocery store after you've looked on Pinterest or TikTok or wherever you get your food recipes from and getting the ingredients to make a deconstructed egg roll. You ever had one of those? You're like, oh my God, it looks better on your plate. You feel fancy as you're eating it. It's a whole vibe. It's not your regular takeout. It's still the food group you like and it's still your favorite dish. It's up a couple notches though. After you found a way to make your favorite dish luxe, I need you to go ahead and upgrade your cutlery and all of your dishware, okay? I personally have gold everywhere. I have shiny gold utensils. It's my dinnerware is trimmed in gold because I need every meal to feel like a glam experience. It just makes me feel good. Make sure everything is pretty. So if you don't already have nice dishware or you've been eating on paper plates all week because you don't want to do dishes, that's completely fine. But I'm going to need one of those meals to really look like you're doing something. Really look like you're that girl when you're eating because you deserve it. Also, set the vibe right. As you're cooking, don't just throw things into the pot. Pour yourself a glass of wine, play some music, and just really vibe out. Put all that good energy into into the food. I promise you, your food is gonna taste 10 times better. All of this is a luxurious experience, so make sure it's important to fit food of quality into your body as well. That's actually lux now, because it should be like a necessity, but some people just go through the day and maybe have like a Snicker and a Coke for breakfast. I need you, even if you're just, I have kombucha every morning inside of a gold mug because it just starts your day off right. Okay, so make sure everything you experience food-wise is very pretty and it feels good when you're making it. If you've made it this far, go ahead and turn on the notifications and subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and leave me a star in the comments so that I know that you know that we know that you're a part of the GLAM tribe, okay? Also, tell me whether or not you've already been working on improving your lifestyle to a more luxurious one. You might have started earlier this year. How's it going? Tip number 3 for your glamorous, luxurious lifestyle has everything to do with high-end experiences. I need you to experience it so that you become more accustomed to high-end experiences. I want you to go online and search for art museums near you. Art is the highest form of human expression. If you have not been to anyone's art gallery, art museum, I need you to go to the nearest one expeditiously. You can also take a guided public art tour in your own city. So if you're not sure where to start with a guided tour. There's so much history in all of our cities that you can really learn something about the city that you already live in. Speaking of tours, I want you to go, another high-end experience that costs absolutely nothing, walks. When's the last time you walked your neighborhood? Okay, and not just any walk. Go to that park that's not too far from you, that you pass by and you go, oh, I wonder what's over there. Actually go over there. You'll be surprised how much beautiful nature is near you for free. That's a real high-end experience. It's super high-end if you're able to like take off your shoes and just walk and feel the earth as you're walking and exploring near where you live. Some people wait for vacations on the beach to take a stroll. I need you to take a stroll in your neighborhood. That's very high-end. As you're walking, if you're not into parks, maybe, okay, you don't have to be, you're over outside, I get it. How about just kind of exploring the uptown or downtown area of where you live? Sometimes you live in a city for years and you don't even really know what's going on or where certain things are because all you do is go to work and you go back home. I need you to increase your high-end experiences outside of work and home and go explore. Start with your city. Okay, and tip number 4 is what you came for. This is gonna ensure that you stay with an abundant mindset, ready for glamorous experiences and a luxurious lifestyle all the time. And you know what that is? It is your self-maintenance. How are you taking care of yourself? How? Are you doing a good job of it? So for tip number 4, self-maintenance, I want you to determine what your best self looks and feels like and show up as that person every single day. Placing everything on the schedule for yourself, whether your schedule's in your phone or a planner, placing everything on your self-maintenance schedule will help you stick to your schedule. Example, you can make Sundays your hair wash day. That's the day that you're going to wash your hair, deep condition. Why? Because one of your goals of your best self is someone who has luxurious hair and soft skin, but you're just always in a rush everywhere you go. So make sure Sunday is your self-care day for your hair. You're gonna deep condition this day. You're gonna do all the things you didn't have time to do. You're gonna make time for it. You're gonna actually put it in your schedule and you're gonna block off this time to take care of yourself. Also, the really cool thing about having a self-maintenance schedule is that you don't have to get ready because you're always ready. For instance, if you know that you like to get your nails done every 3 weeks, let's say 3 weeks max is when your nails start to look terrible. You need to schedule your nails about 2 weeks and a couple days. Don't get to your max. If 3 weeks is your max, do it before your max. Do everything, schedule everything before your max. That way, if life happens and it gets in the way and you can't make it on that particular day, you're like, I didn't schedule it on my max today. I still gave myself a little room to work with because life be lifing. And you don't have to worry about the fact that you look a hot mess because you make sure that everything is taken care of before you begin to look a hot mess. Because you care about yourself. We are scheduling our self-maintenance. I don't know why people forget to schedule their self-maintenance. We schedule everything else from our car, our homes, everything has a schedule. And then when it gets to us taking care of ourselves, we're just kind of like, I'll do it when I get around to it. What? No, you're important too. None of this can happen if you're not well. So I want you to keep all of these tips in mind and begin to experience your glamorous lifestyle on a budget, okay? So Glam Tribe, that's all I have for you today. Go ahead, like I mentioned, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any future videos, and go ahead and check the description box for more tips.